Loop is a minimal but sturdy CPU support that uses a webbing strap to suspend the CPU beneath the work surface. An advantage of this is that once installed, the support is almost invisible. It also means that in supply, it's about as compact as you could expect a product of this sort to be. So in terms of installation, the loop is simply placed on top of the CPU. There's a soft rubber shoe that nests gently on top of the CPU, and the strap is arranged around the CPU and then is tightened by simply turning this thumb wheel. Once the strap is snug around the CPU, an Allen key can be used to add an extra couple of turns of pressure to just ensure that it's pulled tightly and securely against the support shoe. It should be noted that up to this stage, all of that assembly and installation work has been done on the desktop or on a bench top, so the installer doesn't need to do any of this work uncomfortably crouched beneath the desk. But we are now ready to fit the CPU below the desk, and that's simply done by sliding the unit onto the slide track that's fixed to the desk, and then a snap-in moulding clips to the front of the track to prevent the unit sliding back off. So in summary, Loop is a sturdy, minimal CPU holder that's very, very easy to install, and that makes it a favourite with IT people and IT installers.